Welcome back. Now, if you are a user of PowerPoint, there are AI aspects that you can use in order to increase the effectiveness of your presentation. When you begin to record your sales video, if you look inside of the slideshow tab, you're going to see an element here called Rehearse with Coach. You're going to click that link, and basically this is going to allow you to rehearse your presentation. And you're going to see down on the right side area here, there's going to be an area here where you can start rehearsing. And basically when you click this button, you are going to narrate your presentation the way that you're actually going to do it, so that you can get feedback from PowerPoint telling you areas where you can improve. We are going to go ahead and we are going to click Start Rehearsing. And we are going to narrate our presentation. Hey there, my name is Thomas Duncan, and I'm here to tell you that if you're tired of struggling to stand out on Facebook, that you're in the right place. I know what it's like, you're working hard, but you're not seeing the results you want. You're scrolling through your Facebook feed and you're thinking, why can't my business be more like that? Now, I know you're busy and you don't have time for a course that takes forever to finish. That's why this course is easy to follow and you can implement strategies right away. That's not all. You'll also have access to ink and support from me throughout and one-on-one help to ensure that you get the most out of the course. Okay. So what we are gonna do here is we are going to stop the presentation. And PowerPoint is going to give us an analysis of our presentation, and if we want, we can click Rehearse again and we can rehearse the presentation again. So basically we are going to use the AI to give us suggestions on what we can do to increase the effectiveness of what it is that we are narrating. Okay. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.